No. Hello, Amin. And nice food, curry, salad, and nice bihun. James, Lawrence, Mickey, Sophia, hello, on the phone. And Cecily, and Ifo. Yours carry on first. Yes.
John lambat datang dia makan.
Apa you masak ni?
Lemon chicken.
Lemon chicken. Oh yeah, that's why I thought Steve got lemon special thing for him.
I don't know. Dia in the harinya kerja. Okay.
Okay, be careful. Lemon chicken.
I thought Steve tak makan pedas. Now he can eat curry already.
Sudah train very well. Okay.